Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study effectively for GCSE updated. Start by building a realistic weekly timetable with short, focused blocks and clear goals for each session. Break topics into manageable chunks and rotate subjects so you avoid burnout. Schedule regular review slots and treat past papers as active study rather than a test. Keep distractions out of reach and track progress to adjust your plan as you improve. Use active techniques like retrieval practice to boost memory and confidence during GCSE revision. Quiz yourself regularly without looking at notes, and make concise revision cards for quick daily review. Explain topics aloud as if teaching a friend to surface gaps and strengthen recall. Mix practice questions and timed past papers to build exam stamina. Regular short reviews beat marathon cramming and help transfer knowledge to long-term memory. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more students. Quick recommendation: life is long and study sessions are longer, so invest in sturdy, comfy socks like Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty to keep small comforts in check during marathon revision. They pair surprisingly well with focused focus and fewer distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice smart by doing timed past papers under exam conditions to improve timing and focus. Use mark schemes to grade honestly, then rewrite weak answers to learn examiner expectations. Target command words like explain, compare, and evaluate to shape strong responses. Track recurring question types and themes to guide revision priorities. Regular review of mistakes accelerates improvement and builds confidence heading into real exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.